to a brand new video. Let's talk today about Algorand. The ticker is Algo, ALGO, sitting at 66 cents right now at the time of this video. It's up around 11% on the day. Trading volume is up 390% to $757 million in trading volume. Market cap sitting at 4.4 billion. If you take a look at the all-time chart here, Algorand is down from that all-time high that it did reach actually not too long ago, about 6 months ago, at $2.37. If you're familiar with Algorand, I think it started to gain just a lot of popularity because it was one of those first projects on Coinbase that you could stake and earn that passive rewards at APY. The APY was actually a lot higher than what it is now at 0.45%, but nonetheless, you're able to stake your Algorand essentially by holding more assets and generating those rewards on Coinbase. But I wanted to just make this video on Algorand today. I think I made one or two other videos on Algorand, but I wanted to specifically make this video on Algorand today to talk about the big news that was announced about Algorand is the first US blockchain sponsor of the FIFA World Cup. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with the FIFA World Cup, it's debatably, in my opinion, I think the biggest sporting event in the world. I think money can probably agree with that. I mean, the Olympics is big, but something about the FIFA World Cup and the the passion, everything about it, just extremely lucrative and extremely big, right? Across the world, entire world tunes in for the FIFA World Cup. And Algorand is the first US blockchain sponsor of the FIFA World Cup 2022. It is actually being played. If you're in the United States, it'll be wintertime in the United States. It's going to be around December, I believe. Late November, early December is when the FIFA World Cup is happening. The proof of stake blockchain will assist FIFA in developing a digital asset strategy along with providing an official wallet solution. So this is huge news for me, in my opinion, for Algorand. Algorand is a project that I've been following very closely for a while now. I really like what they're doing with as far as the environment, renewable energy, and putting out clean energy. Just their entire mindset on that, I think, is a huge catalyst. But this here is something that I was not expecting and something that I think is extremely bullish for Algorand long term, especially as we get closer towards the World Cup and even after that. And considering it's the first US blockchain sponsor, the next World Cup, the World Cup 2026, is actually in the United States. It's going to be United States, Mexico, and Canada. It's in North America. So again, this can be a very lucrative and a long-term partnership with Algorand and the FIFA World Cup. So you can see here, blockchain network Algorand has partnered with FIFA, inking a sponsorship and a technical partner deal as the network becomes the Soccer Association's first official blockchain platform. The deal announced Monday will also see Algorand become a regional supporter in North America and Europe for the 2022 FIFA World Cup to be held in Qatar in November and December. Here's the official tweet right here, as you can see, and I do kind of want to retweet this live on my Twitter. We're going to just go ahead and retweet this here. Go ahead and follow me, by the way, at BGSNLY, bags only. Coming back here, FIFA has announced Algorand will become the official blockchain of FIFA. So not the first, I guess it is the official blockchain of FIFA, empowering the global football community with cutting-edge sustainable technology. Algorand will also be an official sponsor of the FIFA Women's World Cup in Australia and New Zealand in 2023. The proof of stake exchange will assist FIFA in developing its digital asset strategy, with the announcement explaining blockchain technology in the context of NFTs. Therefore, it may be likely that Algorand could assist FIFA with developing its own NFT collection, which, if you take that into consideration, could be absolutely huge here for Algorand. Additionally, as a part of the partnership, Algorand will be providing an official blockchain-supported wallet solution. FIFA President Gianni Infantino expressed his delight at the partnership, saying it was an indication of FIFA's commitment to continually seeking innovative channels for sustainable revenue growth, adding that he is looking forward to a long and fruitful partnership with Algorand. So FIFA President saying he wants this partnership to be long and fruitful. US is hosting the World Cup in 2026. Putting those two together, I really think the sky's the limit here, and this is an absolutely huge deal for Algorand. So Algorand is another crypto firm to sponsor the FIFA World Cup as a cryptocurrency exchange. Crypto.com became the official crypto trading platform sponsor for the 2022 World Cup in March. It is an interesting move since crypto is banned in Qatar, but reasonable when considering the huge numbers of international spectators. Again, if you're familiar, FIFA World Cup held every 4 years, one of the world's most viewed sporting events. In 2018, the World Cup was watched by over 3.2 billion people, around half of the world's population over the age of 4. Around 1.1 billion people alone tuned in for the 90-minute final between France and Croatia. Again, over the last 24 hours, the price of Algorand's native token has jumped nearly 20% to 0.72 cents from a 24-hour low of 58 cents, according to the announcement. So again, this is huge, absolutely massive deal here. Extremely bullish here on Algorand long-term algo. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about this. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, you guys have a great day.